Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer contact list to a new phone with Verizon Messages, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring both your old and new phones are powered on. Connect your old phone to a Wi-Fi network for a stable connection. Open the Verizon Messages app on your old phone. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Sign in to your Verizon account in the app. Once signed in, tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 lines or dots. Look for the option labeled Settings and select it. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Sync. Enable the sync feature to start backing up your contacts. Wait for the sync process to complete. Now, switch to your new phone and install the Verizon Messages app if it's not already there. Open the app on your new device and sign in with the same Verizon account. After logging in, access the menu icon again. Go back to Settings and locate Sync once more. Enable the sync feature on your new phone as well. The app will automatically download your contact list from the cloud. Once the download is completed, check to ensure all contacts are present. If any contacts are missing, make sure both devices are synced properly. To finish, explore your contact list to confirm everything looks good. Congratulations, your contact list has been successfully transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.